Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a jump link and it's really easy. Watch the video until end and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Okay, let's get started. If you click here, it will take you here. And how to do it? Let's get started. For first time, we need to click edit button and go to link like this and type hashtag poking and scroll down like this. You need to type anchor and drag here and type same hashtag poking as well like this and click publish and look, click button and it will take you here just like that. Okay, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment so I can make more videos like this. Thank you.